So I want to add the extra length and I want to use jump rings. So I made 4 pieces of 5-inch jump rings, chains now, and I want to join them. If your thread is short, tie it somewhere, cut off a new length of thread, start from somewhere here, pass it through the passes you made before so that no one will see your thread part, and exit on the middle bead. Now this is where my thread is exiting, and I want to pick and join these chains now. So pick one size 3 bead, a seed, pick one, pick another one, pick one, pick another one. I have 3 here, and pick 3, and you need 4 to pick 4 of these chains. So I've picked 4 here. Pull it. Now pass round into this middle bead. You've actually made it. So you need to double the strength, pass back into it again to make sure that it's doubled. So now align it, place it well so that you know where the chains are originating from. Okay, we want to make a right angle weave. Now pass into all of them. Pass into all of them. One size 6. Pick a seed, a size 3 seed, and another size 6. Now pass back into all of them through the stopper bead. I've gotten this. Next is pass into the middle bead and pick up 22. Here I have 22 pieces. Pass back into it and pass into the 22 pieces again to secure it. So I have passed through it. Go back into this, pass around it many times to secure it. Make sure that you pass into the chains to secure it very well. You have done this. Make sure you tie to a knot, pass it round again, and tie to a knot round close to the stopper bead, and you are. So I have completed this path. As you can see. Now let me take this away. I need to add an accessory here for my hook, and you notice my thread is exiting here. As we've been doing, this is quite easy. Pick up 3 size 6, pass back into the middle bead rather. Pick another bead, another seed, a size 2, pass into another one. Go ahead, pick another one, pass into, pick another one, pass into this, and pick another one, pass into this. Now already you have covered your thread part. This is my accessory I want to use. Now pass into it, align it, and pass into the bead on the side. Any bead closest to it, pass into on different sides to secure it, to secure the accessory on top. So I have completed this part. Now cut off every thread that is remaining. Make sure that your finishing is neat, and let me bring up this one. And I have also finished this part. Now this is how it is.